Previously on the flip-off. I cannot keep losing to them.
We gotta get the knives out?
Yes. We already did the kitchen in the primary. It makes sense that we do the living room. Win at all costs.
We have to do something on that wall. If it's not finished, we lose.
I hate asking her for anything.
The #1 flipper in the world needs more time.
I'm just saying, no.
We have a deal.
No, we don't have a deal yet.
Who's the judge?
Amanda Smith. She is a designer. She is very critical.
What is this?
That was our judge.
This looks amazing, considering it is such a little living space. Transformation. This is going to Christina.
Oh my God.
Every time.
Do we just say the winner?
Let's hear Amanda.
Okay.
Christina.
Oh, come on.
They needed that.
We cannot lose 2 in a row.
I'm gonna go cry in the corner.
I know, it's cold, huh? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Okay, so where do you feel like you want a little bit more fullness?
Maybe like, Tarek's sister's been doing my hair since Tarek and I met. I've been so busy beating Tarek and Heather on the living room challenge that I haven't had time to meet them to discuss rules. So first rule of being a winner, the loser comes to you. This competition thing's stressful but fun.
Working with Tarek again is stressful.
Do you still cut his hair?
No, I fired him years ago.
Hi.
Speak of the devil.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
So currently the score is 2 us and 1 Christina.
I still can't believe she won the living room challenge. It's absolutely unbelievable.
I know. I feel like she's gonna win transformation every time. So we have to be strategic going into this next challenge.
The next space is gonna be very important.
So you guys do it room by room, right?
So now we pick the room, she picks the next judge.
We have 3 options.
Backyard should be last.
Yes, for sure.
So we have miscellaneous spaces, all of our extra spaces, and we have like guest bedroom, bathroom.
Okay, and what are you gonna pick?
Guest bedroom, bathroom.
Okay.
I wanna do bedroom and bathroom because I've seen our designs, I've seen Heather's growth, and I know we can beat her. So even her judge is gonna have to vote for us.
But there's a twist.
We wanna take out transformation and replace it with wow factor.
No, I do not agree.
Oh, is the designer scared of wow factor?
I'm absolutely not doing that. That makes no sense. You can't just take out the ones that you don't want. You can add a 6th category if you want, but we're not taking a category out.
Okay, fine, let's add it on then.
Deal.
So for this challenge, we have 2 weeks to complete it.
Yep. I'll work on a judge. I'll let you know within the next week who it is.
Okay.
Oh, I think I put too much. Is this firm hold?
Yes.
Oh, crap, I thought this was the other stuff.
That's one thing about me. The heart of a lion is what you gon' see. When it's time to eat, I eat. Unleash the beast.
For our guest suite, we're gonna use the bedroom and bathroom near the front of the house. We demoed the space week 1, but haven't touched it since. So we need to figure out what the issues are.
My guest bedroom was filled with junk. The flooring was in terrible shape and it smelled horrendous. The guest bathroom was absolutely decaying. So my team had to pull everything out to see what we're working with. What is happening here? It feels like it's gonna fall through. Oh God, is that water damage? Or like, why is it so witchy?
The tub was here, so every time the kids are coming out over the years.
Okay, that's safe.
This is more, I think. You can see like the termites have just been eating it, right?
That's not good.
So your tight quarter of designs is gonna need a new wall.
I feel like this whole room is like just caving in on us. I would love to move this window, make it smaller.
How would you like if we raised it and then maybe just went to a vent window?
Yeah, I think that'd be better.
Right?
I think it's a little strange.
Yeah.
This is the guest bedroom. This room is definitely bigger and better than the primary. However, it doesn't have an ensuite bathroom. So in order for me to have an ensuite bathroom, I would have to lose one of the bedrooms upstairs. And then I would go from a 4-bedroom to a 3-bedroom. And in this neighborhood, that would be a huge hit on the ROI. The only weird part about this one is like the way the windows are positioned. I hate off-center. I mean, that kind of puts a little hinder in a beautiful design plan. This is like such a big wall. It'd be nice to do a couple features on here. Maybe like a high headboard, some lighting. I'm planning to take inspiration from my daughter Taylor in designing a bedroom that any guest or teenager would love. First, we'll put in brand new windows. Then, opposite the windows, I want to create a beautiful accent wall using lime wash and fluted plaster. This week, we need a wow factor. I'm gonna string LED lights along the edge to really make the fluting pop. To the left of the bed, we'll add custom cabinets a built-in desk, and a gorgeous mirror that lights up. In the bathroom, I want to use neutral colors to create a calming space. Brass fixtures, a shampoo niche with custom lights, and a rounded edge vanity is gonna give the space a high-end look that I need to beat Tarek and Heather. I'm increasing my design budget this week to $50,000, but I'm hoping that just like last week, this is gonna bring me the victory.
How is there no storage up here? Don't you find that odd for 3 bedrooms? How can there not be a closet? So what is this?
It's a vent from the old heater.
Is there any reason why this can't be a linen cabinet?
If you would like to add a built-in, you have,
It could be pretty big, actually.
yeah, almost 24.
Yeah, that would be really nice. You still got energy?
Well, I've been, slowing down a little bit, but I
I can
think I
tell.
could probably get
Because you're 40 now.
Don't remind me.
What's up, Brian?
Hi.
Hey, guys.
What's up? How are we looking? Did you find anything that we should be concerned with?
No, there's nothing major. It's a standard secondary bathroom.
Is this a window here?
Yes.
There's no privacy if we have that.
For me, guys, you have to have light.
Light, and I like to air out a bathroom. Oh my God, I don't mean it like that. Like the
Sure.
steam from the shower. You're so.
Yeah, it's steamy, all right.
Anyways, moving on.
I think we put a window up high and nobody can see in.
Yeah.
I think we do a really detailed shampoo niche, oversized.
You can actually take it all the way to here, where it's the whole thing going across on your soap niche.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Okay, heck yeah. That's pretty easy.
Easy for who?
Modern Zen is our design theme. It appeals to buyers and our judges. So we'll stick with it in our guest suite. In our bedroom, we want to replace the floors and windows to match the rest of the house. We like using different textures, so planning to wallpaper the top half of the walls and paint the bottom half. For the wow factor, thinking we'll run LED lights along the molding that separates the wallpaper from the paint to really show it off. A reading corner with slatted wood panels and hanging plants will bring a piece of zen and nature to the room. And since we lost the laundry room and the kitchen design, we've decided to split our large bathroom into 2 smaller spaces. We'll focus on the bathroom now and the laundry room later. We'll minimize the giant window and add 2 large shampoo niches to create a focal point in the shower. To continue our textured look, we'll add a water-resistant wallpaper to the walls. Gorgeous tile, a floating vanity, and modern sconces will complete the space. We cannot lose to Christina again. So we're hoping a budget of $50,000 can help us bring home a win. Game on.
Don't forget who the king of flipping is, okay?
Me.
My guest bedroom is not gonna be cheap. We have to completely replace all of the flooring and subfloor. We're getting rid of the old windows. In the bathroom, thanks to the termites, the entire shower needs to be reframed. On top of all of that, we're creating a vent window, installing a new tub, and putting up drywall.
I remember when we first initially walked this house and there was wallpaper on the ceiling.
On the ceiling.
I like the ceilings, like the height. I kind of digging the wallpaper like this too. Like maybe we keep that design style, like do something on the ceiling like this. You know what, leave the designs to me.
So you want to wallpaper the ceiling, it's gonna run down to here, and then it's gonna be paint.
Yes.
Have you seen this before?
When we first walked the
Yeah,
house.
like 60 years ago.
I walked in, I fell in love with like wallpaper on the ceiling. That is very unexpected. People are not doing that. This one, I'd say no. It's too bold for what I want to do.
I mean, I like this one. These 2 are my favorites.
Okay, let's do this one. Another idea. What if we did some type of built-in live edge wood desk? So it would fold up and it would fold down. So it would be mounted on the wall.
Oh, that would be neat. 100% wow factor.
So I could probably get that done for around $1,000.
Gosh.
But if we don't do that, there's,
I know, we can't lose wow factor.
because the bathroom, like I feel like our primary bath, that was like a wow bathroom, it's our primary. This one, it's a smaller space. So this is the floor tile, and I want to run the shower tile behind the vanity, but only part way up the wall.
God, we spent so much money.
If you don't want me to do it, I won't.
Is this reverse psychology right now? Is this one of those things where like you want me to want you to?
I want you to tell me what you want.
What are the consequences though that you're not telling me about?
Why is there always a consequence?
Because I know you file everything.
Michael has lost 3 times now on craftsmanship. Obviously, I love him and he's amazing, but we have to get that one. That one in design, because Heather's getting all cocky about that.
It hurts my soul.
I agree. Okay, so I have an idea for the judge. You might think this is crazy. I was thinking about bringing in my second ex-husband, Ant.